Hey guys, it's Mr. Stevens. This is still Wednesday. Um, I'm gonna make this quick little video showing you guys how to complete your lab report for the soil erosion demonstration. So, normally I've got like a neat little demonstration I was gonna do with you guys. I'll try to make a video of it and have that posted of me doing it if you want to see it. Just to see me doing it, I guess. Um, I'm still working on building it as at this point. I'll try to get it uploaded as soon as I can if you guys would be interested. But there was a bit of confusion last time we did a lab. People thought that I wanted them to go out and buy the materials and do the lab at home on their own. Um, I just want to go ahead and clarify that I don't. You guys don't have to actually do the experiment at home. Um, a lot of the labs I do with you guys are very easy to actually build and make, so you can do them on your own if you want to. Um, I think they're very interesting and they're very fun. I'm a very visual learner, so if I see something and I can actually touch it and I can maybe even do it myself, I'm gonna learn better and more doing it that way, I think. Um, so maybe if that's the case for you guys, if you want to do it on your own, it's not very hard to do this actual demonstration. You may need a little bit of parental help or guardian assistance on a couple of sections, but overall, it's not a very hard lab to do. It'll give you guys a good visual for soil erosion. That not might not be something we can see very well on our own. But with this lab, it makes it a little bit easier to see and understand. Um, so the instructions here, in order for you to complete your lab report for soil erosion, which will be posted on Google Classroom along with this little video and the slideshow that we talked about, you guys will watch a video and make your predictions and observations while following along. So don't, watch the whole video and then fill in your predictions with whatever because you already know what's going to happen. Watch, make your predictions, look at the video, watch it for a few seconds, and learn what he's talking to you about and think about what we talked about, and then make some predictions on what you think might happen. And then, turn the video back, unpause the video, and then while he's doing the demonstration or the experiment, pause it and make some observations while you're following along. Like, what do you think is going to happen when he does what he does? Why do you think this is happening um, when he's doing the experiment? And then, like I said there again, you're not required to do this on your own. But, if you do these experiments, make some pictures of it or, record a video of it and send it to Miss Cunningham. Both me and her, and especially, Mr. Young and Miss Caldwell, they really enjoy seeing you guys um, doing things like this out at your house or on your own. It's really, inspiring and cool to see that stuff. So if you do this experiment or any other labs or whatever that we may do in the future, take some pictures of it if you want to, or record a video of yourself doing it and send it to Miss Cunningham so she can show everybody. So here, this is the video. Um, like I said, uh, this is how you guys can complete your lab reports. So let's take a quick look at the lab report itself. So, soil erosion lab report. Up here at the top, it's got a section for your name. Um, When you fill that out, please put your first and last name. That's been a issue lately. Um, I know whenever you submit something, it's got your whole name up there at the top, but for mine and Miss Cunningham's sake, whenever we're filling out these things, please put your first and last name on it. Um, I can't tell you how many assignments we've been given lately that it'll just say name, um, Emma, for example. We have like 5 or 6 Emmas in the seventh grade, and it can be hard to track them down if they don't put their last name on there. Um, so anyway, the directions. So using these steps of the scientific method, predict what will happen during the experiment, what you observe during the experiment, and a summary related to the importance of plant life and how it relates to soil erosion. So, first part here, predictions. What do you think will happen when the water is poured into the bottles? And so I labeled the bottles here for you. So the first bottle, bottle one, is always the bottle that is just exposed soil. So there's no leaves and there's no grass growing in it. Bottle two is the soil with leaf cover. So that bottle in the middle during the guy's experiment that has leaves on top of it, that is bottle two. And then bottle three is the bottle on the opposite side that has the grass and the plants growing in it. That's bottle three. So, section two, observations. What did you see? How did the materials in the bottle help prevent or slow down soil erosion? So again, the bottles are the same. Bottle one, exposed soil only. Bottle two, soil with leaf cover. And then bottle three, soil with plant life. And then finally, we have our summary. Please provide a full paragraph of 3 to 5 complete sentences to answer the question. How are plants and soil linked? How important are trees and other plants crucial to saving soil from being eroded? So what's that asking you is how important are trees and grass and flowers and all these other various plants? How are they important to keeping soil from being eroded? Um, the conclusion of the experiment is kind of trying to point you guys in the direction to see how important plants are to preventing soil erosion. So that's the lab report. Um, I think you guys will like the demonstration. I think it's pretty fun. This is actually my first time doing it, so I'll try to make a video once I get it built so I can show you guys me doing it. And I'll show you like the little differences in mine and that guy's video. It's very similar, but I used a couple of different materials that um, I think maybe a little bit easier. Um, but I'll try to get that guys to you as soon as I get it built and actually do the experiment. And so yeah, I will see you guys later.